In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it and choose OK in Welcome pop-up. If you want to, you can click on Timeout to make sure that Infinite is on, and then close your app. Now to activate it, go into Tab menu and tap on this pen at the top right corner. Now you need to look for Caffeine shortcut in full top menu. So click Edit under it and add your new shortcut to the menu. Then hit Done and go back. Now click on your shortcut. Tap on this switcher next to Allow Permission and click on it one more time. As you can see, after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, click on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!